Hi guys, how are you doing today? I'm getting ready to make some coleslaw. I have several different coleslaw recipes, but this has to be one of my favorite recipes to make when I do make coleslaw. Um, I'll share the ingredients with you here. For the ingredients, you will need some coleslaw mix, or you can alternatively grate some cabbage and carrots yourself if you would like. Some yellow mustard, some mayonnaise, whatever kind you like to use, some sweet pepper relish, some minced onion, and some celery seed. Okay, guys. In the bowl, you'll need a mixing bowl to mix your slaw in. You're going to put your desired amount of slaw mix in. It's just me, so I'm not making a whole lot. And if you see, sometimes I can't use this all. I'll just put this in the freezer and use it and stir fry. Of course, I've never tried to make the slaw after I've taken it out the freezer. I don't know if you can. Let me put a little bit more in here. And I promise you guys, you're not going to need any other seasoning unless you just so desire. You're going to use minced onion as much as you like. There's no measurements here because it's just me and I'm not making a huge amount. So I got some of these, just minced onion. Any brand. This, I think I got these from the Dollar Tree. You're going to put some celery seed in. This is just happen to be the Kroger brand, but again, you can use any brand. And a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot of this. You're going to need some pickle relish. For the amount I put in, I'll probably use a good, yeah, three tablespoons of what I use for that, which may be a bit much. You start out with your mayonnaise slowly. I just bought some more mayonnaise because this one is just about out. You want enough to get it creamy, but of course it's going to, makes the best creamy coleslaw as well. And you just want a little tap of mustard. And you're going to mix that well. And what you're going to want to do is have this, it's going to look dry when you first do it, but what you want to do is mix this well, and you want to allow it to sit in the refrigerator for, I would say, I'm not eating this till tomorrow because I'm going to fix me some fish tomorrow. But so I'm going ahead and making it today. But you want it to sit, you know, at least for an hour or so in the refrigerator to kind of let it sweat down some and get that creamy consistency. There's a few big pieces in there that I'm just stirring together. I'm almost a little reluctant to put, I'll just put a little bit more in here because I don't really know how much I squeeze out. That should do the trick. And like I said, guys, this is the best, creamiest coleslaw. It's delicious. If you've never had it with relish and the celery seeds in it and the minced onion, I would suggest that you give it a try. And as this sweats down, it'll become a more creamier consistency. But this is how it looks right now. I'll put it in the refrigerator, and I want you to know, y'all let me know how you like it if you try the recipe. But this is the best, creamiest coleslaw. Love you much, but God loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed.